These unbreakable shoes are much tougher than your ex's heart. While this gadget will transform your phone camera to thermal monocular, and this smart keyboard has an actual touch display. So guys, stay with me because here are top 10 coolest gadgets. Alpha 65. Now say goodbye to your bored slow charger because here we have a very beautiful and well designed charger. This supercharger has a very impressive look, and this charger comes with 65-watt fast charger. This 3-in-1 multi-charger can charge 3 devices in one time. Thanks to its latest technology of 3.0 fast charging, you can charge your smartphone, your tablet and your laptop in one time. This smart charger has a very powerful and impressive look, which makes it more than just a charger. This gadget is actually inspired by Mecha Robo, which is a science fiction machine. Portable light strips. Are you get bored by your old helmet and want to buy a new helmet? So don't need to waste your money for a new expensive helmet, because here's the best solution for your old classy helmet: the portable light strips. These are very easy to apply. You have to just need to apply these sticky lights with your helmet, and boom, your helmet will surprise everyone on the way. These small light strips are controlled by your smartphone, so you can choose your favorite color or different lights. The Indestructible Shoes. If you are a man of respect or your friend works in construction areas and you are worried about your normal shoes, then here we have a very powerful and indestructible shoes. These unbelievable shoes cannot be destroyed in any way, but they can destroy the expensive brands by just kicking them out. These shoes of men will never disappoint you. You can even walk over nails or fire by just wearing these impressive shoes. These shoes have guaranteed protection for your feet. These strong shoes are also very helpful to kick out the memories of your ghosted ex. Nubia Watch. Now stop wasting money on expensive brand watches with same boring and basic looks, because here's the most stylish and coolest watch ever: the Nubia Watch. This is totally unique and awesome watch with ultra-long curved display, and this is the best example of fashion and features. The most amazing thing of this smartwatch is that it has the massive battery backup of 7 days. This sleek and smart watch has very impressive features. It also analyzes your health and fitness 24/7, and you can also set any custom photo in it. Thanks to its long curved display, which gives a very premium vibe. Now you can surely jealous your Apple fanboy through this impressive watch. It's a fact that keyboard is a different device while LCDs are different, but now it's time to bust that fact. Because here we have the revolutionary keyboard, the K3, a very sleek and well designed LCD keyboard. While this LCD is actually a touch display, this keyboard will easily speed up your working duration because it has zero touch delay. This also comes with RGB backlights, which makes it more stylish. You can also connect this keyboard with your PS4, your PC, even your smartphone, and you can easily play your favorite smartphone games on an bigger screen. While the screen is the foldable screen and the keyboard's button can be manually dialed by yourself. If you are an outdoor explorer or a deer hunter and you are scared of unexpected attacks from dangerous animals, so there is a gadget which will actually help you out: the thermal monocular, a very powerful animal spotter. This gadget with your smartphone can spot any animal from a very long range. You can also switch this gadget to different outdoor modes, and this cool gadget will give you an extra clear zoom of 15x. This gadget is a perfect tool for hunting, and it will easily help you to survive in forest. If you are a hunter, then thermal monocular is best friend for you. KAI. If you want to buy an AI robot for educational purpose for your children, then here is the best AI robot in the market: the KAI. This smart robot comes with 100 different parts and you can assemble these parts with your own way. If you love coding and commanding, then this AI robot is best for you because you can generate your own gadgets and command it through its official app. This AI robot can also controlled by your smartphone. This robot can record and detect facial expression of its owner, and the most cute feature of this robot is its walking style. While its facial expressions are of next level, this AI robot has the ability to copy your body movements. Overall, this smart AI robot is everything for what a beginner coder want. D6. Fly over cheap drones. A new LED light AI drone has taken the skies. Here we have a very perfect drone for tech enthusiasts. The D6, a compact drone with better features and better design. This smart AI drone can record videos at 4K resolution, and you can control this and record the videos through your smartphone. Moreover, it can also capture photos and videos by using the gestures. This smart AI drone can sense the obstacle with its sensor features. It has also the feature of smart detection. So if you want to spy on your enemies or want to film on specific object, this drone will handle all of this. So that's all guys. Hope you really loved today's video. If you really loved today's video, then don't forget to like the video and tell me in comments which was your favorite gadget. Here is some cool stuff you might love to watch. Also some stuff which will help you out.